Have you had your flu vaccination this year?
Yes, I have.
And why did you think that was important?
Obviously didn't want to catch the flu, but also take some pressure off the NHS as well.
I think is important because the older you get, the worse it can be, really, I think.
Well, I'm a healthcare professional, so I had to do it to protect my patients and myself and my family.
I'm asthmatic and I work in a primary school, and I know when I've had the flu I'm wiped out for at least a week, and I don't ever want to go through that again.
Because I don't get the flu anymore.
Have you had the flu before?
Oh, years ago, yeah.
And how was that without the vaccination?
Horrible.
We're in contact with other people who are vulnerable, so we want to protect them as well.
And was it easy to go and get?
Oh yeah, dead simple, yeah. Walk in, job done.
Really quick and easy, yeah.
Did you do that in your GP practice?
I was with our GP practice, yes. Yeah.
You're in and out within 5 minutes. It's a little jab on the arm, very few side effects if any, and it's better to do that than have flu.